Well, the number of COVID-19 patients in Ballad Health facilities continues to rise.
And Ballad today reported 135 patients getting treatment in their hospitals for COVID-19. That's up 12 from yesterday and an increase of 39 over the past 7 days. Right now, 21 patients are in Ballad Health intensive care units. 10 of them are needing ventilators. 29 more patients are hospitalized and they're awaiting test results.
Caitlin Cluck has the latest on how Ballad Health is addressing the rise in hospitalizations.
Ballad Health announced they'll soon defer certain types of elective procedures in order to create capacity as COVID-19 cases surge. Ballad leaders say they're seeing their highest number of in-house COVID-19 patients yet at 135. Chief Operating Officer Eric Deaton also said the state reported positivity rate of 12.6% was the highest he could remember.
We have seen an 80%, that's 80% growth in cases in the past 2 weeks.
With this progression of infections, Ballad projects the 1,800 new cases counted in the region last week will equate to 110 hospitalizations and 35 deaths.
So if we have another 1,800 cases next week, that will be another 35 projected deaths.
Officials continued calls for public mask wearing and distancing. CEO and President Alan Levine said a person's likelihood of being exposed to the virus out in the community is now far greater than being exposed in the hospital.
Those issues are real, those consequences are real. And I think the public needs to understand that this is the ultimate effect of how good we are at preventing the spread.
Holston Valley Medical Center will begin deferring 25% of their elective surgical cases starting Monday. The deferral amount and hospitals affected could grow depending on the case numbers and resources needed, with staffing shortages a primary concern.
We are right now on the cusp of the limits that we have in certain of our facilities to care for the COVID patients and all of the elective and other types of admissions that we are trusted to care for.
The healthcare system also noted today they have about 40 nurses out who are COVID positive, their highest amount of staff yet. In Johnson City, Caitlin Cluck, News Channel 11.